This is our buddy having his milk. Her milk. Baby, want to say something? She's busy having her food. She's Baby, just look at me for a while. Kutu, day, day Kutu. Baby, Kutima, gepare, gepare. Kutu, Kutus, Kutus. Just look at me for a while, baby. She's a lovely mother. Just look at me, da, for a second. It's got a lovely eyes. I just want to show her lovely eyes. Lovely baby. I think she's so hungry. Hey, baby. And now I bring my camera close to him. Oh, she just is busy taking her milk. She's so afraid of the dogs around. They've got 3 ferocious dogs here, so she's always afraid of them, because if they get the smell of the food, they come just to fight with her and grab the food from her. So this is a garden after rain, my dear friends. Such a lovely garden after the rain. I'm so proud to have this. This is God's gift to me, nature's gift to me. A lovely garden, all drenched in rain. Some sort of mushroom kind of thing has come on the mango tree. I don't know whether it is good or bad for the tree. Every year it is. No, no, no. So it was raining hard. It has become a little sunny now, a little breezy also. This is our beetle leaves patch. We have cleared a little bit so that it's not that much cramped and overpopulated. Her name is Mantra. Mantra. When you get the name of Mantra. There is a male big cat. He'll snatch the food from this baby. She's a baby for a long time. She's given birth to so many generations of babies, male and female. She's a new mother. Mantu, Mantuma. She's a responsible mother. She always takes care of her kids like anything. She has to protect the kids from the predators. Very responsible job. Night and day she has to take care of the kid, just like we human beings. She takes very good care of the kids. I don't know where she's kept her kids, but she's busy all the time taking care of them, as well as go in search of food and feeding the babies. Nobody can be as responsible as these animals. Actually, the dogs, the cats, all the animals as such, who take care of the family with all the, what to say, 100% commitment. These are coconuts. Mango tree is bearing some flowers. Another 1 or 2 months we'll get some mangoes. So animals and all have come to this earth with a pre-programmed chip. They live the way they have been programmed to live, but we human beings have got free will. We can live the way we want. We can program. We can Kutu, de, Papa Talu பயந்துட்டே இருக்காத Kutu. So we can live the way we want. We can program our mind. We can reprogram our subconscious mind. So subconscious mind takes care of all our habits, manners, what we do all the time, whether we are addicted to something or the other. Just go through your daily routine and just ponder over your daily routine and see if you're really doing the same things again and again, the same patterns and again. So it's very important, my dear friends, to reprogram your subconscious mind, because it is so necessary for you to reprogram the subconscious mind, because it takes care of all the things that we do on a routine basis again and again. So see if it is going to be of help to your future, your success, your self-development and all that. If it is not going to be of any use to you, just change the patterns, change the habits, change the manners, change the routine things what you do again and again. So when you do the same things again and again, you'll get the same results. Just change the patterns. See what you do daily, from the time you get up, from the till the time you go back to the sleep, what you're doing. Just reprogram your subconscious mind so that you'll have a healthy life, healthy lifestyle, so that you can manifest good results in your life. You'll achieve something great in your life. So for example, I'm giving you a simple example. Just if you practice piano for hour each day, in 365 days, in a year you'll have 365 hours of practice. Whatever skill it may be, it may be making rotis, fulkas, or making paneer butter masala, 365 days. Then you'll become an expert in a year, in 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, in 20 years. You'll be a pro. Just can't you imagine that? Just take up a skill which you like the most, you're passionate about. Just pursue it at least for an hour. If it is more than 1 hour, it is well and good. So if it is for an hour, it is going to be 365 hours per year. See how skillful you can become. I'm very much interested in coding. I do coding at least for an hour. At least I learn about it. I at least do something or the other. This is a practice that my mom inculcated in me. So even this she'll read so many things. She'll read everything that is around, like a small piece of newspaper or a library book or something like that. She'll be always reading. She even the paper that comes when we wrap bhajias and all, no, we'll have a small piece of newspaper, no, she'll read even that. So do like that, something or the other that will uplift your life as such.